Hi guys, this video is a continuation of my earlier video on the topic of section formula. So in this we will understand how we can apply the section formula to questions which involve triangles and quadrilaterals. So do check out my earlier video to understand what is the section formula. So in the first question we have a triangle ABC and they have given us the coordinates of each vertex. We need to find the length of a median which is passing through the vertex B. So let's begin by understanding what is a median. So it is a line which joins the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. So since they have said that the median passes through vertex B, it will join the midpoint of side AC. So we'll say that let the midpoint of side AC be D equal to x comma y. Now since it's the midpoint, therefore AD will be equal to CD and hence their ratio, which is AD is to CD, will be 1 is to 1. So now by applying the section formula, we'll have x is equal to minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 9 upon 1 plus 1. So if we solve it further, we'll have the value of x as 4. Similarly, y will be 1 into 10 plus 1 into minus 2 upon 1 plus 1. So that will give us the value of y as 4. So now since we have got the coordinates of point D, we can apply the distance formula and get the length of segment BD. So by applying the distance formula, the length of BD is equal to square root of minus 3 minus 4 the whole square plus 7 minus 4 the whole square. So that gives us length of BD as square root 58 units. So if you're not familiar with the distance formula, you can check out my video on the same topic so that you can get an idea how the formula is to be used. In the next question, we have been given 3 vertices of a parallelogram and we need to find the fourth vertex. So let's assume that the fourth vertex is dx, y. Now the parallelogram, as we know, has a property that its diagonals bisect each other. So let us say that the diagonals meet at a point O, A, B. Now since they bisect each other, from our figure we can say OB is equal to OD. Therefore their ratio will be OB is to OD is equal to 1 is to 1. Similarly, OA will be equal to OC and again their ratio will be 1 is to 1. So first now let's consider segment AC and apply the section formula so that we'll get the coordinates of point O. So therefore A will be equal to 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into 10 upon 1 plus 1. So if we solve that further, we get the value of A is equal to 3. And now B will be equal to 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 6 upon 1 plus 1, which will give us the value of B as minus 4. So therefore O is equal to 3 comma minus 4. Now for segment BD, we know the coordinates of point B and O. So again if we apply the section formula to the segment BD, we can get the coordinates of point D. So now 3 will be equal to 1 into x plus 1 into 2 upon 1 plus 1. So if we cross multiply, we'll have 6 is equal to x plus 2 and that will give us the value of x as 4. Similarly for the y coordinate, we'll have minus 4 is equal to 1 into y plus 1 into minus 6 upon 1 plus 1. So that is minus 8 is equal to y minus 6 and that gives us y is equal to minus 2. Hence the fourth vertex is D is equal to 4 comma minus 2. Let's now understand how to find the coordinates of a centroid of a triangle if the 3 vertices of the triangle are given to us. So let's begin by drawing a triangle ABC and let's say the coordinates of the vertex A are x1, y1, B are x2, y2 and C are x3, y3. So just as we discussed before, a median joins the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. So let us say that D, E and F are midpoints of side AC, BC and AB respectively. So that makes BD, AE and CF as the medians. So the meeting point of all these medians, that is where all these medians intersect at one common point, that point is known as the centroid. So in our figure, point O is the centroid. So let us say the coordinates of O are x, y. So how do we get the x coordinate is? X coordinate will be equal to addition of all the x coordinates of vertex A, B and C divided by 3. So that is x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Similarly we do for y. So y becomes equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So now that we have understood these formulas, let us solve a few questions on the same. Our first question is a very simple one. So we have been given the coordinates of the 3 vertices and we need to find the coordinates of the centroid. So let us say that the centroid is O x, y. So now the x coordinate will be equal to addition of all x coordinates. So that will be x is equal to -1 plus 1 plus 5 upon 3. So that gives us the value of x as 5 upon 3. And similarly y will be 3 plus 1 minus 1 upon 3. So that is 1. So therefore the coordinates of O are 5 upon 3 comma 1. In our last question, they have given the vertices A, B and C, but the x coordinate of B is unknown and so is the y coordinate of C. But they have given us the coordinates of the centroid as 1, minus 1. So let us begin by saying that let the centroid be G 1, minus 1. Now using the same formula again, the x coordinate of G, that is 1, will be equal to minus 5 plus P plus 6 upon 3. So solving that further, we'll get the value of P as 2. Similarly, y coordinate of G, that is minus 1, will be equal to 3 minus 1 plus Q upon 3. So that is Q is equal to minus 5. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Do check out the links of some important related topics which I have included in the description box below. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.